Okay, so this is how to use the Open Camera app. This is a tutorial for SDRs and any other people who want to use this app. So it's loading up. I just turned on the phone, so it might be a little bit. Okay, so basically, the settings are in here. Oops. Freaking, come on. Okay. So the settings you're gonna want to use are photo settings, and these will be different depending on your phone. You can also change the image quality. Come on, go back. And then video settings has video resolutions. There's only 3 because I'm using the front camera. And most of the other things you don't need to change. You can also record your audio in mono, which will be a bit lower quality, and you can change your video bitrate. So about 3 or 4 megabytes is the most you want to use, because that's what looks good, unless you're recording like a 1080p video, which I think SDRs, you want to be recording low quality videos. There's also FPS, you can change that. Then there's also like processing settings, like anti-banding and stuff like that. And if you're wondering where, my Camera 2 API is, I don't have it because, you know, this is an old phone. So yeah, I think it's, on fluorescent. Yeah, this is what it looks like on fluorescent. Yeah, let me record a video and I'll be right back. Okay, I was going to record a video, but I have no space. So yeah. And let me actually show you, hold on, I gotta itch my arm. Let me show you the photo and video settings on here. As you can see, there's a lot more on here. Like if we go to video resolution, well, there's not a lot more, but there is some more. So yeah, hopefully this has helped you. So yeah, bye stars, and any other people who want to learn how to use this app. Bye.